Well, today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I just wanted to kind of chit chat with you. I have some new subscribers here, so thank you so much for everyone that is new. And I just thought that I would sit down, and I know that this is going to be like a one-way conversation here since I'm not live, but I would like to get the conversation going in the comments and talk about burnout. It is real. And I have been selling, I figured this out since like 2013, I think I started. So well over 10 years, and I'm burnout. I am doing some videos has definitely helped me kind of reinvigorate my excitement for reselling. In this video, I just wanted to kind of say, like, if you are feeling it, you're not alone. You know, I think there's a lot going on in the world, and maybe, I don't know, has anyone else felt this way since 2020? I have just felt like things have just not been the same, and my levels of energy. But anyway, maybe I'm the only one on that one. I don't know. But I've just been really struggling to get that excitement back, to get up every day and be like, yes, I'm listing. I mean, once I get started, it's good, but getting that started and getting over that hump. So I don't know. What have you done to help with burnout? I mean, I have tried where I do like one day I'm going to do all photos, one day I'm going to do all listings. And I feel like I get bored too easy with that one. So lately, and this does seem to be helping some, but I don't know. I've been trying to say, okay, well, in the morning, I'll take pictures. And then in the afternoon, I'll either do like YouTube, either reselling channel or beauty channel. I'll have that link down below if you're interested, beauty and fashion. And for years, I've been having extra totes. Then I'm like, okay, you need to list that. And I did a kickoff challenge. An update is going to be coming soon. So that is, it's kind of like Weight Watchers, if you've ever done that, where you can do it on your own. But when you're signed up and you're going to the class or the meetings, it's like, okay, it's coming up. I need to do it. So next month, I have it on my calendar to do an update for the listing challenge for your death pile or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I was looking at my calendar and it's like, well, if I'm going to have an update that's more than just, yeah, I didn't do anything, then I better get busy. So I think that's kind of helping. But my sales have just been terrible. I don't know about yours. And I know that when your sales are bad, you need to list more and just keep plugging away. But it's been a struggle. And I've been working on doing physical inventory, which if you have not done, it is important to do. So that has kind of helped too. I don't know. Let me know if when you've had a burnout and lack of motivation, is doing that helped? Because I print out one category and then go through, actually make sure I have the item, reweigh it, make sure that's all okay. And then when I'm going down then when I'm pulling up eBay, I can see for sure, does it need to be ended and relisted or sold similar? Does it need new description? Does it need new pictures? Is it so old and I've had it on sale and dropped the price so much that it just needs to be out of here? And yeah, because, okay, this is just all over the place, I guess, this video. But can you believe, what is your oldest item listed? Yeah. What is your oldest one? I used to try to keep things and I had a hard time getting rid of them because I was like, well, everything sells pretty much eventually. But for my peace of mind and just, I need to organize more and I was like, I can't keep all this stuff. I'm tired of, relisting it, selling similar, marking it down, doing sales, changing it, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, so I don't know if this video is interesting at all. But I just felt like it was on my mind. And, you know, a lot of times when we go on social media, at least the things that I consume, you know, is always like, I feel like we're getting away from the hustle culture, but there's still a lot of, you know, you feel like if you're not motivated, if you're not working and just grinding, that maybe, you know, like you're lazy or something like that, but you're not. So it's just been on my mind, and I thought that I would do a video just to kind of chat about it, see where you're at, if you have any tips, let you know that you're not alone if you're struggling to get motivated, or I don't want to say get, if you're struggling to feel motivated, and just kind of like, one thing that has helped a little, instead of saying I have to take pictures today, I say I get to take pictures today. I get to play with clothes and put them on a mannequin. And so that's kind of helped. And I'm trying to, in my mind, where I'm storing my clothing inventory, I'm in the process of trying to get that organized and clean out and everything. And I'm going to think of it as more like, this is not that people come to my home to look at stuff, no, but I'm just going to try to think of it as more like, this is my boutique. And I'm hoping, and like, this is my studio, mind shift of like where I take pictures. This is my studio. And maybe that will help feel more exciting. And I know I've, you know, been through the ups and downs before, and I've gotten burnout before. And I think it'll come back, hopefully, the ride up. But yeah, I'm just on a low, and let's talk about it, shall we? In the comments, just a quick video today, but in the comments, let me know where you are in your reselling journey, where you are in the whole, like, are you get up with excitement each day to list and to do all the things, or which stage are you in? And if you have overcome burnout, and what is your tips? Like, what did you do with burnout, with reselling, or just burnout in general of things? Yeah. What do you think? Let me know. And I don't know, do you like these kind of chit chat videos, or are they boring? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, I did want to say one more thing. I upload a beauty video on my channel on Sundays, and I hate to like complain, I don't want to sound like that, but it's just too much, I feel like, right now to upload both channels on a Sunday. So I need to switch a day. I need to switch the day that I upload. And if you've still made it this far, what is your opinion? I'll do a poll. I think I can do a poll on the community tab. I'm finishing up on my iPhone because my camera, the battery just died. Anyway, and I just have a little bit more to go. So what day do you feel like you watch YouTube the most, or do you think would be the best? You know, a Sunday or what the heck? Okay, this is weird. My battery on my camera said that it was dead. It said change your battery, and it shut off. I picked this up, started film, and now my camera's back on. All right, that's weird. Let me see if I can record on there. This is strange. I guess it just had a few more seconds left in it. But anyway, what do you think? Monday, Wednesday, or Saturday? Do one of those days. Do you have an opinion? Let me know. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button.